Hello friends, welcome back to the new tutorial of the Shopify. Today we are going to learn how to retrieve the collections in the Shopify. Collections is basically like the categories, so where we are assigned the products. Okay, so here we can see that we have a collections, we have a three collections, right? So I want to show first collections, then their products, then they can add the products, right? So this is the necessity flow when we are showing the categories, then their products, then add to cart and then detail page, then add to cart, right? So this is the process. So we are going to check how to retrieve the collections. Before those who haven't subscribed my channel yet, please to subscribe my channel, and if you like the video, please to like, share and comment on my video. Let's get started. So to retrieve the collections, you have to make sure you have to add collection underscore listing dot json, and in the headers we have to pass the x shopify access token, right? So after doing this one, okay, just hit that one. Okay, and here you retrieve the collections. First one that we have the default image null, image is there, and the title is t-shirt 2. We have a t-shirt 2, we have a three products, right? Then we have the next one that the title is t-shirt 1, so t-shirt 1 is there, and the last one is home. Okay, so there is home page, right? So these three collections are coming. Okay, in the next video we try to fetch their products. So currently they have two products, they have three products. Okay, so this is how you are able to fetch the collections via API. Any doubt, any query in that, do let me know in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching this video. Have a great day.